Ferruccio Lamborghini's initial foray into supercars was marked by relentless hard work and unwavering ambition. He meticulously designed every detail of the 350 GT, ensuring it not only performed exceptionally well, but also turned heads with its sleek design. The collaboration with his expert team proved fruitful as a bois. They brought his vision to life, neglecting the naysayers who believed a tractor man could never challenge Ferrari's reign. The bustling workshop echoed with the sounds of progress, each model crafted with precision. Enthusiasts began to line up, eager to experience the power and prestige of a Lamborghini. With the launch of the 350 GT, the automotive landscape began to shift dramatically. Critics were silenced as the car outperformed many expectations, dazzling not only the public but also industry insiders. Reviews praised its combination of power and Italian craftsmanship, elevating Lamborghini from a mere curiosity to a formidable contender in the high-performance car arena. Ferruccio basked in the newfound respect, but he knew better than to rest on his laurels. Innovation was his secret weapon. Thus, he set his sights on the next challenge, a car that would redefine what a supercar could be. The Miura was his answer, a masterpiece that combined breathtaking aesthetics with groundbreaking engineering. Ferruccio and his team pushed the boundaries of automotive design, creating a vehicle that captured the imagination of car lovers everywhere. Word spread quickly, and soon the Miura was not just a car. It became a cultural icon, a testament to Lamborghini's rise from obscurity. The roar of its engine was a battle cry against industry norms, proving that ambition could reshape destinies. Ferrari would have to take notice as Lamborghini set new standards in performance and luxury, forever altering the course of the supercar landscape. Ferruccio's relentless drive for perfection extended beyond just performance. He aimed to instill a sense of identity in each Lamborghini. The Miura's layout was revolutionary, featuring a mid-engine design that not only enhanced its handling, but also allowed for a stunning silhouette. Each curve and line was crafted with meticulous care, striking a perfect balance between beauty and functionality. The automotive world took heed, as whispers of Lamborghini's ambitious plans spread like wildfire. Enthusiasts began to envision a future where Ferruccio's creations would dominate the roads. The Miura demonstrated that passion truly could ignite innovation, transcending the expectations placed upon a tractor manufacturer. Its debut was a celebration, an announcement that Lamborghini had arrived and would not be easily dismissed. Ferruccio's strategy did not end with the Miura. He understood the importance of evolving with the market's demands. He began to focus on creating a range of models that would appeal to a broader audience, ensuring that Lamborghini would remain relevant and competitive. His commitment to quality remained unwavering as he meticulously oversaw each project, pushing his team to refine their craftsmanship continually. The spirit of competition with Ferrari inspired Ferruccio to explore new technologies, integrating innovations that would not only enhance performance, but also redefine driver experience. The world was witnessing the birth of a brand dedicated to excellence, creativity, and ambition. With every model released, Lamborghini became synonymous with exclusivity and power. This transformation was not merely about building cars, it was about establishing a legacy. Ferruccio's determination served as a beacon for those who dare to challenge the status quo, proving that dreams fueled by passion can indeed alter the course of history. Ferruccio Lamborghini's journey from insult to inspiration serves as a powerful reminder that resilience and creativity can forge a legacy. His innovation redefined the automotive industry, turning machinery into works of art and ambition into achievement. Today, Lamborghini stands as a testament to how one man's passion can ignite an entire revolution.